Hi there, students. Political correctness, a noun, or politically correct, the adjective. And very often this is just reduced to PC. Okay, political correctness is avoiding language or actions or measures that might be offensive to certain groups of people, especially um, language or acts or things relating to sex or race. So, for example, language can be very sexist. Yeah, the chairman of the meeting. Well, the word chairman is not politically correct because it assumes that the chairman is a man. And to make this politically correct, you would make it into chairperson. I was thinking of cricket. In cricket, you have a batsman, but this again assumes that the batsman is a man. Nowadays, they're starting to introduce the politically correct word, the batter. Okay, so if something is politically correct, it's avoiding language that stereotypes groups of people. For example, a fireman. Well, it assumes that they're men. A firefighter would be politically correct. Okay, so political correctness, avoiding things that exclude or marginalize or insult certain groups of people who are socially disadvantaged or discriminated against. So when you make your speech, you need to ensure that it's politically correct. Yeah, political correctness is going to be very important when you make this speech. Okay, so you need to be extremely careful not to upset any group of people in society who are disadvantaged, who are treated differently because of their sex, their gender, their race, their disability. Yeah, and then politically correct people. This is showing you have progressive ideas, trying to avoid discriminatory language, judgmental language, or actions, or things like that. So you're trying to adhere to the orthodox liberal opinion that everybody is equal, yeah? And you shouldn't use anything that's disparaging. Okay, so political correctness, trying to make everybody equal in the language that they use, because language, unfortunately, very often is not politically correct, and that's the difficulty, one of the difficulties with language and being PC. Let's see. This idea of political correctness probably first started in the 1970s. Yeah, where yes, it started to become important to try to make sure that everyone was equal and perceived to be equal as well. However, nowadays this phrase politically correct has become very used, and in some circles, particularly in the right, the conservatives, this is used as a criticism to say that these politically correct ideas are going too far. And they are attempting to divert attention away from discrimination against disadvantaged groups. Okay, so politically correct. Yeah. Also, very often with this in English, he or she. So when he or she applies for the license, well, the nice, easy, politically correct way is to put when they apply for their license. When he applies for his license, that's not politically correct. When she applies for her license, also is not politically correct. But you can use when they apply for their license, and it doesn't give any differentiation of whether it's a man or a woman doing it. And this is the idea of politically correct, but not only in language, yeah, in the things that you do, in the jokes that you make, in the policy of a government, yeah, in advertising, in all sorts of things. So notice as well, the opposite of politically correct is politically incorrect, yeah, political incorrectness. So I think you may find more political incorrectness in the right than in the left politically. Okay, so this is the idea of political correctness. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Politically correct, political correctness.